I picked up a couple of these LCD writing pads for the kids, so I thought I'd share them with you. So my kids really love drawing, and we get through loads of paper, but sometimes, specifically really I'm thinking about more when we're travelling, it's not always that great to try and have loads of pads and everything and paper everywhere in the car. And I saw these electronic LCD writing pads in the recent Amazon Prime Day sales. I think you got it for like £10 or something. So I thought I would grab a couple for the kids, so when going out on some day trips in the car, they can use these. So I got a blue one and a pink one, because they're stereotypical, one for boys, one for girls. So I thought I'd just unbox them and you can see what they're like and take it from there. So I've not looked at them myself yet, so it's literally just doing it as we go. So the packaging is really quite simple, and to be honest, I'm not expecting too much from these because I mean they are so cheap. But at the same time, if the kids break them, then it's not the end of the world. So it's relatively flexible. So I don't know how well you can see that. There's a decent amount of movement on the back. I don't know if that is magnet, is it? Oh, okay. It's got a couple of magnets on the back. So I guess this is the sort of thing you could stick on the front of your fridge or something to put shopping notes on or what have you. So pretty cool. So let's have a quick look at the manual. So it's got a battery compartment, some optimal operating temperatures, so down to -10 up to 60 degrees for centigrade for storage. Operating temperature recommended between 10 and 40 degrees centigrade. There's not really too much to look at really, so just trying to see. So it takes a small 3-volt CR2016 battery, which I believe is included. So let's see if it turns on, I guess. There's a little lock button down the bottom here. So right now it's in locked mode, and if I switch it over to the other side, it's in unlocked mode. That's basically to stop the ability for someone to erase what you've drawn. So if your kid's done their nice work of art, you know, you can lock it so that they're not going to accidentally remove it or delete it. So let's have a little look. There's two styluses. One is more like a bladed pen type shape, whereas the other one is a rounded ball end. And let's see what happens. I'm terrible at drawing, so that should be not going to be too impressive. So I'll do something really creative and draw a house. So let's just see kind of how this works. So it's really awesome, actually. It's working much better than I expected. So this is just like the things you buy, like when I was a kid, and you'd kind of had that bit of magic paper, wasn't it, that you kind of would flick it up and pull it down and you'd start again. But this is electronic, and it's really kind of similar price. I mean, those books used to be like £4 or something, so I guess it's twice as expensive, but obviously it's going to last a lot longer. So again, not an artist, as you can obviously see. So if I obviously do a sun, shouldn't I? Beautiful. But if I put it to the lock mode, and I don't know if that means you can't. You can still draw over it, but pressing the erase button doesn't work. So that does mean the other kid can come along and scribble all over it and say, no, I don't think that looks very good, but you can't erase it. So that's interesting. I thought I guess it's an erase lock button as opposed to a content button. So then if I switch it back into unlock mode, if I press that, it should clear it. And it does. And then we can start again. Magnificent. I really should have improved my drawing skills before doing this video, but yeah, no, I'm really impressed with this. The price, and actually the finish is pretty damn good. So I'm just, I'll quickly have a look at the pink one so you guys can see what the colour looks like, just for reference. Okay, and again, the same setup. Actually, that one feels. Does it feel a bit better? Let's have a look. That's interesting. So this one feels a lot firmer, whereas this one feels more enjoyable to use. I guess there must be some tolerances in the screen. For some reason that one does feel this pink one feels slightly easier to use. It's hard to explain really, other than to say it just feels smoother when you're writing on this pad than the other one. But either way, I think they're great for the price. I'll put a link in the description if you guys are thinking of grabbing one. But yeah, I think great little stocking filler, maybe for Christmas, or as it's kind of summertime if you've got a trip coming up. Maybe it's worth checking one of these out. Hope it helped. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.